Good afternoon, friends. Welcome, everybody. First and foremost, thanks for coming. I owe lots of thanks to the Help Library and to their staff, and to you all for coming here, giving your time, money, energy, everything, and listening to my perception of mind. And as far as perception of mind is concerned, everybody has differences in it. By the way, before starting the topic, let me tell you that the topic of today is on belief systems. And this topic was taken previously, but due to some malfunctioning, due to some technical error, the upload was not done properly, so we are repeating this topic today. I know it will never be the same. It may be better, hopefully. Let's see how it goes. So, to start with, how many of you know what is a belief system?
Is your perception about something or some situation.
How you think in a particular situation or how you react.
Right.
Those are the foundation on which your behavior decides.
Absolutely. Right. So, as you said correctly, how you behave, the foundation, how you perceive, all of this is dependent on what is there in your subconscious mind related to an XYZ topic which is happening in front of you, or you are hearing, or you are seeing, or you are thinking, whatever. So let me give an example. There are many people in the world who are really very happy with life. Everything in life is working for them. So for them, they say life is a party.
Beautiful.
लाइफ इज मजा मस्ती. तो मेरे को आप पूछोगे तो इवन आई विल से दैट ओनली, लाइफ इज धमाल. वो अनिल कपूर को पूछोगे तो बोलेगा जक्कास. So on the other side of the world, you will see some people saying, oh, life is a struggle and all that stuff. Fine, nothing wrong or right about it.
आपकी लाइफ में क्या है वो भी
right.
होता है।
नॉट के आपकी लाइफ में क्या हुआ है, बट क्यों हुआ है.
हाँ, आपने क्या गलतियाँ की है।
Everything in life is attracted. Everything in this life is attracted. If you are unhappy, only you are the reason for it. There is no God about there to say, I will punish you. Don't go by all that. God had never said that. I have never seen a Jesus talking about, I am going to punish you. I have never seen a Muhammad Paigambar, the great prophet, saying, I shall cut you, or you are allowed to eat animals. Neither have I seen Krishna saying bad about humanity ever. So God, in His space, is complete in every way. Now you may name God as whatever. You may say Aura Mazda, somebody may say Shiva, somebody may say Allah. Fine, that's absolutely fine, because it is coming from their background. So coming back to the thing is that there is nothing like God there to punish you. If something is not happening for you in your life, then it is only you who is sabotaging that aspect of your life due to some or the other reason. And on the other hand, if you are very happy with life, if things are working for you, then also only you are responsible for it. Get that straight. ये माइंड में घुस जाता है ना, that I am responsible for whatever is happening for me. That means what? In other words, I am the Lord and Master of my destiny. Ideally, it's a privilege to human beings to create their own destiny.
Yeah, animals can't do that.
It's our privilege. Now, how do we use this privilege is up to us. Animals go by instinct. They will not suddenly get up and start eating food at any time. They will get up only when they feel hungry. Neither they will stock food. कल बकरा नहीं मिला तो आज 2 बकरा काट के रख देता हूँ. They will not do that. They will, if they feel hungry, they will hunt. Otherwise, they are, I suppose sometimes they are better than us. They sit quietly, silently in their place, enjoy the nature and all. And हम लोग को कोई बोलेगा तो tomorrow rice is going to increase by 2 rupees. See how people will stock rice. 100 kilos rice. फिर क्या 100 किलो खत्म हो जाएगा, बाद में क्या 200 रुपया बचा है, 400 रुपया बचा है, फिर क्या? We see people on the petrol pump, na? From tomorrow, petrol is going to increase by 1 rupee. आज रात को 12 बजे लाइन लगे थे. अरे 1 रुपये के लिए लाइन लगे थे.
तो सीएनजी में ज्यादा लाइन है, पेट्रोल में नहीं लगता.
वो तो अभी because the petrol pumps are less. But here what I am saying is about the belief system, the tendency of stocking things, hoarding things. As if वो उसका 10 लीटर पेट्रोल या 200 लीटर पेट्रोल उसको लाइफ टाइम चलने वाला है, 1 रुपया कल बढ़ने वाला है तो आज से भर दो. क्या बचाया उसने?
50-60 rupees ना. 10 liters पे 200.
Now these beliefs are coming from scarcity consciousness. Like that, there are so many beliefs. Like life is a struggle, is a belief. Now, if the person has a belief like that, life is a struggle, a poor fellow is going to struggle, and at the same time he is going to curse himself and all around him. ये मेरे माँ बाप को कोई टाइम नहीं मिला पैदा करने को, ये मुहूर्त में पैदा किया. मैं भी क्या लिखा के आया हूँ, भगवान जाने क्या लिख दिया यार तूने. भगवान ऊपर से बोलता है मैंने कुछ नहीं लिखा भाई, तू मांगा मैं दिया.
सबको ब्लेम करेगा लेकिन
हाँ, सबको ब्लेम करेगा लेकिन अपने आप को अंदर नहीं झाकेगा. इट इज लाइक सर्चिंग गॉड आउटसाइड व्हेन द गॉड इज इनसाइड. है कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पीपल डोंट नो व्हाट इज गॉड. इज देयर अ गॉड और नॉट? हाँ, that is the greatest mystery around them. They don't understand any dynamics of energies. बस ये आपके वजह से हुआ, ये इसके वजह से हुआ, मेरे वजह से कुछ नहीं हुआ. Now, the moment you come and take charge of your life कि ये सब मेरे वजह से हो रहा है, that means 50% of your problem is solved. At least you are taking onus of whatever is happening with you. Responsibility लीजिए. So you know what is happening with you. Here, when you are saying that आपकी वजह से, इसके वजह से, that means nothing is. You don't know only what's happening with you. अगर आपकी वजह से हो रहा है, तो how will I know what's happening completely and fully? Only you will know what's happening completely and fully because you are the maker of what is happening to me, no? So when I am taking the onus of what is happening to me, then 50% of the problem is solved. Why? Because we are coming into awareness. नाउ अगर ये मेरे वजह से हो रहा है तो उसका क्या करने का. आपकी वजह से हो रहा है तो आप जानो, मेरे वजह से हो रहा है तो उसका क्या करूंगा. सो व्हाट विल हैपन? पीपल विल गो टू अ ज्योतिष. ये देखो ना, हाथ देखो ना. ज्योतिष बोलेगा अरे ज्योतिष खुद फुटपाथ पे बैठा है.
मैंने 500 रुपये निकाला और फिर बात करो.
उसको उतना मालूम होता तो वो फुटपाथ पे क्यों बैठा है. तो वो क्या बोलेगा मालूम है, मेरा तकदीर ऐसा ही है.
कर्मा.
मेरा लाइन ऐसे ही लग
हाँ. So he has already a belief that he is going to be sitting on the footpath, earning hardly anything and hand to mouth ही रहने वाला. किसने बोला? उसका पिताजी वो करता था, अभी वो कर रहा है. उसका पिताजी पोपट लेके बैठा है, ये किताब लेके बैठा है. subtly that belief is there that job is always on a footpath. Life is a struggle. If I get a person of 200 rupees today, then कल का नाश्ता खाना पीना मिलेगा, नहीं तो नहीं मिलेगा.
नहीं, in other words, उसने accept कर लिया कि मुझको ऐसे ही
हाँ, एक बिलीफ आ गया ना माइंड में.
मैं दूसरा कुछ नहीं कर सकता.
अच्छा, नाउ ये हो गया. कोई इसके पास चले जाएगा, पामिश के पास चले जाएगा, कोई एस्ट्रोलॉजी देखता होगा, उसके पास बोलेगा हाँ ये आपका दशा चल रहा है. तो दशा चल रहा है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन उसका क्या करने का, वो क्या बताएगा, रिचुअली बताने वाला. जाओ मंदिर, रोज फलाना फलाना भगवान को 2 नारियल फोड़ो. इट्स अ रिचुअल थिंग. Now what is happening when he is going in the temple? The energies of the temple is supporting that person, so that slowly his aura gets strengthened up and he starts thinking in an appropriate manner. ठीक है? So that is also not wrong. At least for the beginner that is good.
मंदिर तो जा रहे हैं.
हाँ, कहीं तो सही ढंग से जा रहा है. अभी कोई ऐसा रहेगा तो गम में जाके बियर बार में बैठ जाएगा पीने के लिए. At least he is not doing that. Because that is going to aggravate the problem. So then the second step is, हे भगवान, मैं तेरे को 2 नारियल देता हूँ, मेरे को कुछ तो दे. 4 दिन के बाद कुछ नहीं मिला तो कुछ सुन नहीं रहा है, आज थोड़ा तेल भी चढ़ा देता हूँ. 8 दिन के बाद अभी तो कुछ काम नहीं हुआ, 2 नारियल 1 तेल 10 का नोट भी डाल देता हूँ. अभी ब्राइबिंग चालू. हाँ, फिर सब करने के बाद भी नहीं हो रहा है तो रोना धोना चालू. व्हाट मैन, टाटा को दिया, बिरला को दिया, मेरे को नहीं दिया. वो लोग ने क्या किया जो मैंने नहीं किया. एक्चुअल थिंग वो लोग ने जो किया है उसने नहीं किया, इसके लिए उसको नहीं मिल रहा है. देन देयर इज बार्गेनिंग अगेन. नाउ बिट किससे बार्गेनिंग कर रहा है वो मंदिर में, वो भगवान का मूर्ति पत्थर से बार्गेनिंग करने वाला है वो. मैं हर गुरुवार का उपवास रखूंगा, वो साईं बाबा को परेशान कर देगा. साईं बाबा बोलेगा मैं शांति से बैठा हूं, डोंट डिस्टर्ब माई पीस. I can give you good blessings, I can give you energy, I can give you everything, provided you take it in an appropriate manner. It is right there in front of you.
You should know how to take it.
First of all, you don't know how to ask what to give. हाँ, एक आदमी गाड़ी लेने जाएगा तो क्या बोलेगा, एक गाड़ी दे दे भगवान. भगवान बोलेगा इतने सारे मॉडल है कौन सा दूं. वो जिंदगी में नहीं बोलेगा, इसके लिए उसको गाड़ी मिलता ही नहीं. अभी साईं बाबा के पास जाके बोलेगा मेरे को गाड़ी दो गाड़ी दो गाड़ी दो. साईं बाबा बोला कौन सा चाहिए भाई, हाथ गाड़ी भी है, बैलगाड़ी भी है, होंडा अकॉर्ड भी है, मर्सिडीज भी है. वो बोल देने को मैं बैठा हूँ, कौन सा चाहिए पहले वो तो बोल. दैट ही विल नॉट से. He doesn't have clarity in mind. Mind is always confused. A confused mind can lead you nowhere. Now, वो आदमी परेशान होके बाद में क्या करेगा, वो जाप करेगा. ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय. हाँ, कोई क्रिश्चियन रहेगा तो क्या करेगा, वो नोविना करेगा. नोविना बोलते हैं ना. एक्चुअली आई एम नॉट अवेयर ऑफ एनी रिलीजन बाय द वे. थोड़ा थोड़ा इधर से सुना हुआ है. हाँ हाँ, कुछ भी रिचुअल करेगा. बट नाउ वन थिंग वुड हैपेंस इन द झाप एंड ऑल दिस. एक तो यू आर गोइंग इन अ पॉजिटिव एटमोस्फियर. सेकंड थिंग, झाप, नोविना, व्हाटएवर, जो अभी ये सब वो जो क्या करते हो, व्हाट दे से, वो मस्जिद में जाके क्या करते हैं. हाँ, नहीं रोजा नहीं, वो 5 टाइम नमाज करते हैं. ऑल इट इज क्रिएटिंग गुड एनर्जी एंड दैट इज हाउ इट इज हेल्पिंग the auric field of the body. Ultimately the auric field becomes very strong, and then slowly and steadily it will help that person to think appropriately. ठीक है. फिर क्या करेगा, ये मंदिर मस्जिद उसको कुछ काम नहीं आया तो सब छोड़ दिया, आज के बाद भगवान मैं नहीं आने वाला हूँ, हट छोड़ दिया। देन ही गोज टू अ शाना फेलो, वो कोई क्रिस्टल वाला रहेगा, ये क्रिस्टल लो, इसके ऊपर थॉट डालो, एफर्मेशन डालो, करो। व्हाट हैज वर्कड? हिज माइंड।
Yes, ultimately mind game.
Then you say, ah, I did this, I did that, I did that. Then somebody told me, दो क्रिस्टल रखो, इस पे थॉट डालो, द थॉट विल एम्पलीफाई। किसने देखा क्रिस्टल ने थॉट एम्पलीफाई किया भाई? क्रिस्टल का एटॉमिक अरेंजमेंट इज इन अलाइनमेंट, देयरफॉर इट कैन गिव अ piezoelectric effect. What effect it has on the thought is negligible. It is you are murmuring something 10,000 times a day and affirming something. Therefore, it is happening. So, when the person is giving an affirmation constantly, his belief is getting superimposed by another thought constantly.
Subconscious mind.
Therefore, it is working. Slowly, it enters into your subconscious mind, and the only work of the subconscious mind is to prove itself right, correct. जो मैं बोलता हूँ वो होता है. That is the work of the subconscious mind. And subconscious mind वो ही बोलेगा whatever you have written up before taking the birth. Because you have come here to experience certain aspects of life. Good or bad, it is not concerned with. Right or wrong, it has got nothing to do with it. You have come here to take an XYZ experience, so you will take it and go. In the process of taking an experience, at a point of time, if you feel I have had enough, I choose to discontinue taking this experience for a longer time from now on, then you have something called free will to stop taking that particular experience. Now there is a whole way, there is a whole game of how to go about it. And that is a bit technical. If you understand the game, which I cannot teach you at the moment in this 1 or 2 hours, it is it is a 3-day workshop. If you understand the game, then you can shift the game. Now when I am saying you can shift the game, what are you shifting? The belief. There are people who will say ये affirmation से भी कुछ नहीं होता है, because he is only affirming something without energies.
वो विश्वास नहीं कर रहा है क्या?
नहीं, of course faith is there, वो तो important बात है. But what happens is, I give you an example. If a person is going through a fear, कितना emotion आएगा उसके सर पे? Oh, what will happen if this happens, that happens, this and that, and then he is completely surrounded with the energies of anxiety, feelings of anxiety. Deep anxiety is coming out. बराबर है? Now, when we tell him to do affirmation, now anxiety, feelings, this, that is all emotions. You are surrounded with emotions. Emotions are coming out from your heart, from your solar plexus, from each and every cell, from the consciousness of the cells of your body. It's a energy wildly in motion. Energy in motion is emotion. ठीक है? So he is thinking negatively with lots of energies. So that's happening. Now when he goes to a therapist or XYZ person, even if he goes to a person like Buddha, then the Buddha will say, okay, do this, 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 this. And he will go and do it lifelessly. There will be no energy in it. So for example, he goes to a therapist and वो बोलेगा ये affirmation बोलते रहो, तो वो क्या करेगा? I am strong and healthy.
मुंह से बोलते रहेगा
I am strong and healthy, fit and fine, strong and healthy. I am fit and fine, strong and healthy. I am fit and fine, strong and healthy. 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 इससे क्या होने वाला है? Is there any emotion? There is no emotion. There is no energy. You are already dead. You are wasting time, money, energy, everything. And then after 8 days you will go to the therapist. आपने मेरे को बोला, मैंने किया, कुछ हुआ नहीं. बेटा ओपन चैलेंज जाएगा वो. तो थेरेपिस्ट बोलेगा हाँ अच्छा नहीं हुआ तुझे, ऐसा नहीं हुआ. उसको क्या मालूम बेचारे को कि ऐसा मुर्दे के ऐसा बोल रहा है. So that is the reason why even affirmations don't work sometimes, because there is no feeling to it. And if it works, it takes a long period of time, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. By that time he has already lost interest in that thing. Even if it comes after 5 years, you will say छोड़ यार क्या अभी रह के आता है. तभी क्या बोलेगा, ये ऊपर वाला भी बह रहा है, रह के सुनता है, जब भी नहीं चाहिए था तभी आया. अल्टीमेटली घूम फिर के वो ऊपर वाले पे ही आ जाएगा. नीचे वाला क्या करता है देखा ही नहीं. So a shorter cut to this is to remove the belief that is not working for you. So life is a struggle. उसको आप हटा दो, कॉन्शियसली हटा दो. Go in meditative state and visualize that life is a belief, something like that is coming out, evaporating out of your body. It is just coming out from the consciousness of your cells, from each and every cell of your body. It is why I am saying this statement is because I am trying to convey the message to the people who are very lay about this thing, you know. उन लोगों को कुछ मालूम नहीं है कैसा एक्चुअली कैसे होता है. इट्स अ लेमेन्स थिंग. मैं आपको बोलता हूँ ना, जस्ट विजुअलाइज दैट दैट थिंग इज गेटिंग कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम द बॉडी. इवेपोरेशन ऑफ सम ग्रे कलर क्लाउड इज कमिंग आउट. उसके अंदर लिखा है लाइफ इज अ स्ट्रगल दैट इज गोइंग आउट. वी कैन विजुअलाइज दैट. लेमेन्स भाषा में आपको बोल रहा हूँ. टेक्निकली क्या होता है in a very correct way is that belief systems have certain places in the body where it is stored, like the front part of your brain, the center part of your pineal gland, the master cell, whatever they say. Then there are certain past life memories which are stored around your shoulders. Maximum amount of past life memories are stored around your shoulders and L1, L2, L3, L4, L5. Maximum amount of energies are stored there. Past life. Then there are deep, very deep beliefs which you are carrying on since births and births and births and births and births, like 10,000 births you have been carrying it on. That is at the soul level. Those beliefs are very difficult to be removed. Like God doesn't love me. These are dangerous beliefs. Nobody loves me. My life is a useless life. These are very deep rooted useless beliefs which people keep on carrying on. And based on those beliefs, अभी God doesn't love me ऐसा belief आपके अंदर है, that means in other words nobody is loving you because everything is God. बराबर है, हर चीज में भगवान है. Now what is God we will discuss something later on that I cannot get this in this. But if God doesn't love you, that means nobody loves you. And who is at fault? Because it is not the work of God to love you. He is a neutral spectator, if at all he is there. According to the perception of what God is, according to the society in current state, people think there is somebody up there who is looking, I'll punish this fellow. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It is you don't know how to love yourself. Then how will somebody else come and love you? If I keep on abusing myself, then others will also abuse you. आप आपका बीवी को रास्ते के बीच में गाली दोगे तो दूसरे 4 आदमी क्या करेंगे? रिस्पेक्ट तो नहीं देगा आपका बीवी. Then if you go and think that why is public not giving respect to my wife? Who is responsible for it? Then he will say, मैं ऐसे लिख के लाया होगा, भगवान ने यही दिया है, भगवान की मंजूरी यही है. बच्चा नहीं हो रहा है, गॉड मस्ट नॉट बी वांटिंग इट. हो गया वो उसकी देने. हाँ, जो भी देखो उसके ऊपर डाल के निकल जाने का आगे, बेस्ट. टेंशन ही नहीं. और हर धर्म में वो होता है. एवरी रिलीजन प्रैक्टिस दिस प्रैक्टिस परफेक्टली. बाकी जो बोल के गए वो प्रैक्टिस करे ना करे, लेकिन भगवान के नाम पे गलत करना जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है. तेरी मर्जी.
जो हुआ तेरी मर्जी.
हाँ.
Because they don't want to work.
Solve. They are not born to work.
That is why it is easy to.
जो होगा अच्छा ही होगा, ऐसा बोल के उल्टा काम कर देते. मैंने नहीं किया. उसने करवाया है, मैं क्या करूं? आई एम नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर माई पॉवर्टी. गॉड हैज सेंट मी दैट वे व्हाट टू डू. बाद में पूजा पाठ करेगा वो. बिकॉज ओनली इफ आई एम पुअर कैन आई अटेन गॉड. है ना? आप देखो बहुत लोगों में ऐसा बिलीव है, ओनली इफ आई एम पुअर विल आई बी एबल टू अटेन गॉड. Rich people, और साले चोर है. All these people moving in BMWs and Mercedes, they are chores, rascals. They have black money. They want to abuse these people instead of blessing them. And then they say, I am poor. You abuse a wealthy fellow. How is wealth going to come to you? It's not going to come to you. You bless a wealthy fellow, the wealth will come to you. Whatever you give will come to you, no? So from today, every Mercedes and every beautiful BMW you see, start blessing that fellow. Very soon we all will be in the Mercedes and BMWs.
Because many people have that belief. Money is the
Root cause of
All the evil.
all the evil. अरे मनी क्या है? मनी इज एन एनर्जी. And then on the other side, they want to become rich also. They want to abuse a rich fellow, and on the other side, they want to be rich also. So the mind does not understand. यार ये अच्छे भले आदमी को गाली देता है और उसको खुद को भी ऐसा भी बनना है, वो कैसे होएगा? So the day he understands that if he really wants to become rich, then he has to appreciate the richness first of all. He has to appreciate what is wealth. He has to appreciate and he has to be in gratitude of whatever the universe has given to him. वो नहीं करना है. जैसा कोई बड़ा आदमी देखा उसको गाली. Because that is jealousy ना on the other side.
It's out of jealousy.
Out of jealousy है ना. कल उठ के वो मर्सिडीज में घूम के आएगा तो बोलेगा मैं आज मर्सिडीज में घूम के आया, तभी कुछ नहीं है ना. Now where is all this coming from? ये सब बिलीफ्स जो है, लाइफ इज अ स्ट्रगल, मनी इज द रूट कॉज ऑफ ऑल इवल. हाँ, पैसा आएगा तो पता नहीं मेरे खानदान में क्या हो जाएगा. वेयर इज ऑल दैट कमिंग फ्रॉम? Where are all these beliefs coming from? I am supposed to remain like that. There are so many ways of these beliefs coming into your life. Belief can enter into your life from the day of conception. From the first moment of conception. Why? आप बोलोगे साला तभी तो ना माइंड था, ना ब्रेन था, ना हार्ट था, फिर भी बिलीफ था. How is that? The body is not being made. उसके पहले बिलीफ आ जाता है. ब्रेन आया नहीं है, उसके पहले बिलीफ आ जाता है. वो कैसे? वो ऐसे है कि every cell has its consciousness. And in that consciousness, it has got energy, thought of that particular time, whatever it has gone through. It has got the complete awareness of that person from where that particular cell is coming. It knows the intellectual awareness of that person. It understands the complete mind, subconscious mind of that person, and it is getting all of those things with the cell. Now when the first cell, which we call as the zygote, which gets formed, has a consciousness, and in its consciousness it has got millions of things in it, lots of thoughts. Some thoughts may be resonating to the lifestyle that the child is going to go through, and some thoughts may not be resonating to the lifestyle to that child, whatever it is going to go through. Then the cell multiplies. So what will happen? Those beliefs will multiply. Basic जो है root तो multiply होगा ना. So by the time after that 9-month-old baby coming out, how many cells are coming out? 700 trillion cells, I believe, if I am not wrong, having the same belief system. That belief has become so strong now.
And additional beliefs.
हाँ, वो अलग है. Every day the wife is thinking, that mother is thinking of something, the mother is being going through something, trauma or happiness or whatever. If the mother is lucky enough, then and the child is lucky enough, then the mother goes through the happiness period and everything is very good. Then you see some people in life, they are really very happy because क्या है? Childhood का 9 months were very good. So based on that, the consciousness of the child, the cell consciousness, cellular consciousness of the child is very positive. Who creates that situation? The father, the mother, the environment. It's in their hands, no? God doesn't say anything. Now the child has come down to face those things, that happiness. So he has selected that type of place or space or people where it takes a birth. You know? So there are many games attached to belief systems. When beliefs are coming from your past life, then this is the major game. Selection of your parents. Then after birth, what is happening with you? How are you perceiving your life? How are you perceiving things happening in front of you? All these belief systems get stored on your frontal memory, in your frontal brain. Then these imprints are also, these beliefs are also very strongly fit into your DNA. Again, past life में DNA का information आने वाला है. It's interlinked. DNA में morphogenic energies रहता है. There is a lot of information in that energy which is surrounding the DNA. Now, energy can be in thought form, it can be in molecular form, it can be in any form. But it is there, no? You can't say nahi hai. Depending upon what the person is going to go through, he will take some certain memories will be switched off, but the memories will be there. Then there are beliefs. Now these past life beliefs are always there with everybody. Their memories are there in the cellular memories which are attached to your spinal cord, top and lower, lumbar and this. Now, soul level, as I said, there are very deep rooted beliefs. उसमें belief, luckily one thing good about it is there will be very less amount of beliefs, because soul by itself is very strong and it will not get affected so easily. Now frontal memory is the main thing. Frontal brain accepts beliefs in the highest amount of possibilities. Eyes, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. Ears, मैंने सुना वो होगा. Feelings, you don't put your hand on the flame, it will burn. It's a belief. Then there are beliefs which come from your parents. Parents बोलेगा झूठ नहीं बोलना है. If you speak lies, you will suffer. It's a belief. Who said so? People get away with murder. Why do they get away with murder? Because with him there is a belief you can get away with anything. उसका माइंड में ऐसा बिलीफ है, क्या है मर्डर तो मर्डर, उसमें क्या है, करना पड़ता है तो कर दिया, नथिंग रॉन्ग. सच पीपल में एस्केप, likely chances. Then the teachers teach you something, your friends teach you something, environment कुछ बोलेगा आपको, और सबसे ऊपर all the great gurus, वो बाबा लोग, आ बाबा मेरे पास आ, पैसा रख, दक्षिणा रखो तो कुछ बोलता हूँ. Religion. Religion, if understood well and practiced properly, is a boon to humanity, which will then drive you to spirituality. Basically, religion is not spirituality. It makes you move on to the path of spirituality, and that is where your life actually starts. If understood and practiced properly. Nowadays, what religion has created? Only weaknesses and terrorism. Because the greatest illusion humanity is going through today is the illusion of separation. है ना? I am Hindu, you are what? Christian, Muslim, he is Sikh, and you are different. अरे कैसा different हो गया क्या मालूम? Why has this happened? Because the scriptures are turned and twisted. According to what I want to say, I will say. मेरे को जो अच्छा लगा मैं बोला. मेरे को नॉनवेज खाने का अच्छा लगता है तो आई विल से नॉनवेज खाना तो हर रिलीजन में है. आई हैव नॉट सीन अ प्रॉफिट ईटिंग नॉनवेज. So the religious background, environment, teachers, your education, your friends, parents, all of these give you a super high impact of beliefs which are not even yours, and you nicely take it, keep that crap, keep that shit in your mind and move around with that weight all throughout your life. and nicely get battered and screwed at most of the times of your life. Because we have never introspected ourselves. हाँ, आपके माइंड में क्वेश्चन आया तो क्या पहला क्या करोगे? जाके किसी गुरु को फोन करोगे, बाबा जी ये हुआ तो क्या करूं? एज ए बाबा जी लीडिंग योर लाइफ. बाबा जी को उतना मालूम होता तो वो किधर संन्यास लेके बैठा होता था. वो सोसाइटी में पैसा नहीं था. बाबा जी को अभी कल परसों में टीवी पे ऐड देखा, पता नहीं कौन सा बाबा, नाम याद नहीं आ रहा है, ऐड आ रहा है उसका, आपका प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन मैं देता हूँ, बाबा सो एंड सो.
7 दिन में समाधान.
हाँ,
तो पैसा.
अरे भाई तो फिर तेरे पास तो देन यू शुड हैव अ लेंथी लाइन ऑफ पीपल ना. व्हाई डू यू रिक्वायर टू ऐड? बाबा जी खुद परेशान, दूसरे को क्या करेगा? बाबा जी अपना नाम डालने के लिए खुद भी एडवर्टाइजमेंट दे रहा है. इफ यू कैन डू, और वो भी दे आर क्लेमिंग दैट टू गिव यू समाधान इन 2 hours. Then the whole Indian population, starting from Narendra Modi to everybody, should be there only. है ना? हाँ, everybody. उसके बाद हर चीज का ये है ना, he is God. If there is a question in your mind, then there has to be an answer in your mind. 100%. The only thing is that we have skipped it. We are not in awareness. You know, when a question comes, the answer also comes with it. But we are so much focused on the question that the answer just bypasses and we just don't see the answer. And then that fellow doesn't come again. Because we are focusing on the question, no? So the question gets repeated. Tak, 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 tak. Answer पे focus नहीं किया, answer चले गया. कहा? वो बाबा जी के पास. क्या करूं? गाय को रोटी खिलाओ. He will give you such टोटकाज only. आधा जिंदगी निकल जाता है उसका. बाबा जी रोज गाय को रोटी खिलाया. देन बाबा जी से क्या बात करते हैं? गाय को रोटी खिलाया काम नहीं हुआ? आप रोटी बराबर खिलाता नहीं होगा. गाय का वो जबान इसको टच होता था तो नहीं. तो वो ना मांगता है, तकदीर आपका इधर है. So then from next day he starts turning and twisting his hands with the cow. ये गाय का जबान इधर लगता नहीं. गाय भी टेंशन में, रोज साला सीधा सीधा दे रहा, आज इसको क्या हो गया? Cow will also wonder, he is giving me roti straight away, man, I was happily having it. Today what is he trying to do? He is doing something funny. गाय को प्रेम कर, गाय के साथ 2 मिनट खड़े रहे, उसका एनर्जी इतना अच्छा है कि तू ऐसे ही ठीक हो जाएगा. वो नहीं करेगा, वो रोटी गाय में खिलाएगा, भागेगा, ट्रेन पकड़ो. गाय ने खाया कि नहीं मालूम नहीं, रोटी फेंक के चले जाते. उसमें गाय क्या करेगा? बाबा जी जो बोलते हैं वो मेहरबानी खाते में करता है वो. Sometimes all these toddlers also have a scientific reason. The Babaji says to go to the guy, but then if he is a crook, and the Babaji himself is Name Hakim Khatrejan, then he will only say गाय को रोटी खिलाओ. कौन से गाय को? वो जर्सी गांव को खिला के आएगा. और बफेलो को खिलाया, उसको खिलाया, एक ही है. टू गो टू अ देसी काऊ, उसके ऊपर हाथ लगाओ 2 मिनट ऑन द आर्म, देन सी हाउ थिंग्स वर्क, बिकॉज द एनर्जी ऑफ द काऊ इज लाइक दैट. हाँ, आधा इंफॉर्मेशन लेके आ जाते. कभी कुछ हो गया बाई चांस तो बाबा जी की जिंदाबाद, नहीं तो बाबा जी चोर है. Whilst doing all of these things, energy enters into your field, which allows you to think appropriately. But you should sit and introspect yourself, because it is only through the self-introspection will you come to know what things in life are working for you and what are not working for you. Whatever is working for you may not be working for me, है ना?
एक क्वेश्चन है सर, सपोज मेरे साथ समथिंग इज नॉट वर्किंग फॉर यू, मैंने दो बार
Suppose you come to know what is not
नहीं,
working.
तो वापस जाओ कि नहीं जाओ, वो थोड़ा
See, whenever such thing happens, whether I should go or not, whether I should do it or
दो
not,
तीन बार जाके आया हूँ, तो मेरी पेरेंट्स बोले वापस जा, लेकिन आई डिडंट हैव द कॉन्फिडेंस टू गो अगेन एंड so
whenever the first time the question comes into your mind, what is the feeling at that point of time is going to happen.
थोड़ा
If there is fear, then you already lost the game.
पहले से ही अपने
So then you have to work on the fear. So it's like you like to go but you don't want to go because of certain fears.
जाके आया हो,
So things have not worked. So what has happened is previous baggage है आपके माइंड में that मैं जाके आया लेकिन वहाँ पे मेरा काम नहीं हुआ, अभी मैं जाऊँ और नहीं हुआ तो, है ना? So वहाँ पे काम नहीं हुआ, क्यों नहीं हुआ?
काम नहीं किया, जो भी
Whatever. The moment the answer comes to you,
बिहार है ना,
the moment the answer comes to you, ask yourself why, how, now what. Even if you do this thing, why, how, now, what, in a particular, in an appropriate manner, the whys and the whats and the hows will get you to the root cause. Once you are coming to the root cause, then you know how to change it. See, every human being has got an X amount of intellect. And if it is even at this much, it is capable enough to change your game of life. You don't have to be a rocket science. You don't have to have rocket science to change your beliefs. See, God has been kind to give you certain things by default so that you can change your life the way you want. So, for example, if you have to go somewhere and it has not worked with you previously, then just do a why did it not work for you?
I don't like challenge.
So whatever the challenge, once you know the challenge, go deep. Why did that challenge come across first of all? See, take one thing for granted. Life is a party. Okay. And the one who has given you the birth has seen to it that you are going to enjoy the party. ये माइंड में एक थॉट आप रिप्लेस कर दो, then you will see life moving smoothly. Now there are many ways. As I said, you are going to replace the thought. In that space आप क्या निकालोगे कि replace करोगे? So find out what is not working for you and release that. It is like life is a struggle. I release that belief in the light and I replace the belief with life is beautiful. Enjoy, joyful. Whatever is suiting you. I have got so many other things. First thing in the morning when you get up, today is the best day of my life. Start with that. Now when you do this for 21 days, your neurologistic programming of your mind will start working that way. This is one way of changing certain beliefs. Doesn't take time, doesn't take money, doesn't take too much of energy. Lekin all you require is to remember to do it. No, you forget it. You forget it due to some or the other reason. The first thing you get up is, अरे आज क्या काम था? आज तो क्या है? अरे आज मंडे है यार. वापिस वो सड़े हुए बॉस का थोपड़ा देखने का. No, first thing is that you are condemning the boss and you want the boss to work happily for you.
You already said negative vibration.
हाँ, जो आप दोगे वो मिलेगा. So forget about everything. Today is the best day of my life.
And things which are working, उसपे
Yes.
already चालू है.
हाँ,
वो तो चालू है.
all those things which are working, तो you are happy with it.
जो job number है वो कर.
हाँ, जो नहीं हो रहा है उधर ही आपको ध्यान देना है.
That's the main catch.
Find out what is the challenge. From where did the challenge come from? It is not yours. Of course, it is there in your belief. But who put it in your belief? Because when you were born by default. Nah. See, ideally a person born by default has to be correct according to the divine intellect. तो उसमें तो कुछ गलत नहीं हो सकते. गलत हुआ तो कहाँ हुआ है? एक बिलीफ है, वो बिलीफ कहाँ से है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कौन सा बिलीफ है वो? मेरी एक मान्यता है कि अगर मैं ये करूंगा तो ये होगा, और जब भी मैं ये करता हूं तो पड़ती है. तो पहली बात तो वो करो मत. अभी ये बिलीफ किसने डाला? एक आपको मालूम है इंडियन सोसाइटी में एक सबसे बड़ा बिलीफ कौन सा है? मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल. आई वॉज ऑल्सो इन दैट once upon a time, but by the grace of God, energies, whatever you may say, I came out of it after understanding the game of this belief system. पनौती है ना? कितने जन को ऐसा है वो आदमी आज सामने आया ना, आज अपना दिन बिगड़ा हुआ, मेरी तो वाट लगने वाली, अभी मैं क्या करूँ? आई रियली डोंट नो, गॉड प्लीज हेल्प मी. सो आप क्या करोगे? जल्दी जल्दी जाओगे, हनुमान को पैर पड़ोगे, हे हनुमान भगवान, ये पागल मेरे सामने आया है, जिंदगी में मेरे पास मत भेजना, इधर मिला ऊपर तो मिला नहीं मत, और आज का दिन मेरा अच्छे से सुखी से शांति से जाए, ऐसा कुछ करना. एक नारियल चढ़ाता हूं. हनुमान ने सुन लिया, आपका नारियल ले लिया, वो बाहर आया और उसका दिन अच्छा हो गया. वाई? बिकॉज नाउ ही श्योर कि अगर वो पनौती उसको मिलता है, उसके बाद अगर मैं हनुमान का मंदिर में जाता हूं तो हनुमान टेक्स अवे ऑल द पनौती. गॉड नोज व्हाट ही डज विद इट. लेकिन मेरा प्रॉब्लम तो वो सॉल्व कर देता है.
That is again his belief only.
एंड क्या कितना सस्ते में 11 रुपए का नारियल में काम हो गया. और नारियल भी रिसाइकल वाला रहता है. हाँ नहीं, इट्स अ बिलीफ. मैं हनुमान के पास गया ना, ही हैज टेकन अवे द प्रॉब्लम. हाँ, वो तो मैं ब्राइब देता हूँ. कभी पांडु को खिलाता हूँ, कभी बीएमसी वाले को खिलाता हूँ. आज तेरे को दिया, जा ऐश कर. वो बेचारा अपने लिए बैठा है. ऐसे मैं उसको नारियल नहीं देता तो मेरा काम नहीं करता था. प्यार से आज भगवान के पास जाने वाले कितने जाने? किधर भी मस्जिद बोलो, टू गॉड, whatever, very few people go to God out of duty. No, they are not going with that unconditional love, ना. Unconditional love के साथ जाते हैं तो you don't require to go to God only. Then you will come to understanding that God is in me. Where am I going?
You should go when you feel like going.
हाँ.
It's not for.
आज सब त्योहार है, आज सब जाने वाले हैं, तो वो महालक्ष्मी के लाइन में, महालक्ष्मी टेम्पल से लेके वो कौन सा लाला का कॉलेज है उधर तक का लाइन लग जाता है. लाइन में करते क्या है? मारा मारी. मैं इधर आगे खड़ा था, तू कैसे आगे गया? व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? यू आर गोइंग टू अ टेम्पल और यू आर गोइंग इन एन अखाड़ा. कुछ नहीं. और वो बाय द टाइम दे रीच टू द गेट ऑफ द टेम्पल, दे आर इन दैट हाईएस्ट मोड ऑफ सर्वाइवल और फिटेस्ट, as if that Mahalakshmi is going to run away from them like this. If I were been Mahalakshmi, I would have definitely gone. There is no love. बड़ा बड़ा थाली लेके जाता है, पेड़ा, ये वो, ये बड़ा हार, वो पुजारी ऐसा हाथ लगाते हैं, बस. अरे ये क्या है? मजाक बना के रखा है रिलीजन का ये लोग. द पीपल हु हैव मेड टेम्पल्स हैव नेवर मेड टेम्पल फॉर दिस पर्पस. दे टेम्पल्स वर मेड ओनली टू कम देयर एंड सिट, नॉट इवन टू प्रे. मेडिटेशन करना था, बैठना था, कनेक्ट विद द एनर्जी ऑफ द गॉड और द डेटी हुएवर इट इज. रिस्पेक्ट दो यार. बाजू वाला क्या कर रहा है? कितना बड़ा थाली लिया, हाँ लाल साड़ी पहन के आई. अरे तेरे को क्या करने का है? तेरा नजर उधर रखना बाबा. सेंसलेस है वो. And ultimately the day that person comes to know, and if he really goes with unconditional love and light,
Then he gets,
then he will never go there.
Yeah.
Really happy.
He will never go there because he understands, अरे यहाँ तो इधर बैठा है भाई, उधर जाके मैं क्या टाइम पास कर रहा हूँ, है ना? Then there are people who go to the temple every day. Every day. Come what में, दुनिया उसको गाली देगा फिर भी जाएगा. उसका काम छोड़ेगा, घर का सत्यानाश करेगा, सब कुछ करेगा, लेकिन टेम्पल में जाएगा. Has God asked you to do all that? First service is of service to humanity. अगर आप वो ही नहीं कर सकते हो, सेंसलेस टू गो देयर ना. क्या मतलब है?
The biggest gift that you can give to God is service to you.
हाँ, वो नहीं करना.
मराठी में एक बहुत बढ़िया
It's
गाना है.
always otherwise and not otherwise.
मराठी में एक बहुत बढ़िया गाना है, कुठे शोधती तू, नाम है अलग अलग इसमें. When God is here
हाँ,
and you are searching also.
starting with loving yourself. If you can love yourself properly, you can love everybody. Then you don't have to do anything, everybody will love you automatically. So 99.99% of your problem is sorted.
In fact, there's no problem with it.
फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है.
The problem is because we create it.
How many people genuinely love their own self? What's the problem?
They don't know only how to.
They
But
expect
to
others to-
remove belief, one technique you said that just do that. And any other technique how to?
Most of the people are going through affirmations, writing that affirmation 1,000 times. But what happens with affirmation is, this is my perception of mind, I may be
You are
wrong.
right,
Huh?
because if there is no feeling, it will not work.
First of all, that is there. Now what is happening is, there is already a belief, and when you are writing that affirmation, you are just superimposing another belief on it. So this has not got removed, the root problem has not got out. It can spring up anytime. And God knows when that thing is going to work. There is a way, if you meditate properly and if you can lift the beliefs and if you can replace the beliefs, there is a way to it. If you can do that properly, that I teach in my workshops. It is called Soul Light Enhancement with Healing. That workshop, if you all ever get a chance, attend it. Soul Light Enhancement. All that I do is under one tag. That is Soul Light Enhancement India. So, Soul Light Enhancement India is the tag. मतलब वो company का नाम है. उसके अंदर there are many workshops, and this particular workshop is Soul Light Enhancement with Healing. Now that will be coming somewhere in June, July. I don't know. June तो आ गया. So July.
They say that when you go into the trance state in meditation, the subconscious में जो garbage रहता है वो
Now what happens is, yes, there are huge chances you can do it, provided you go into the trance with that intent.
No.
New intention.
Question.
that I am releasing the
Yeah, see, now in that workshop of mine also, I teach them the whole technique and all that. What happens with that is, that you will be able to release certain beliefs, knowing the technique, provided you know which belief to release.
Unless you know, then otherwise
You
you have
should
to
have
identify.
clarity you should have as to what
Identify.
So if you do the digging work, and go properly to the root level, then you will be able to pick it up and throw it out. But then that is not the end of the game.
it has to be
There are so many other beliefs which are creating a subtle problem in your life, of which you don't know. तो उसका क्या करोगे आप? Either you do introspection, ठीक है, उससे बहुत सारा problem solve होगा. Yet there are so many things, because beyond so many lives that you have gone through, you have accumulated so much of unresonating beliefs. Now which to release? So best thing is, sit in the light for 5 minutes, 10 minutes every day. That is where you, which light, मतलब ये ट्यूब लाइट नहीं है.
white light.
हाँ, so go in trance. In your words, I will say to go in trance. Now the main thing is to remain in the trance for more than 5 minutes, which is like a big thing.
It's not very easy
हाँ,
because there are no thoughts absolutely. at that.
वो possible नहीं है. The mind, the work of the mind is to think. You can't tell the heart don't beat. Like that, God has given you mind, so you can't tell the mind, don't think.
You are
No, but you have to have the technique.
just looking like a witness.
So there is a technique of to sit in the light and to divert your conscious mind towards something called light. So now what is happening? That there is a focus. See, when you focus your mind on a particular thought, then there are likely chances that many other thoughts don't disturb you. But if I tell you, you know, you have to be ekdam zero, there should be no thought. It is stupid of me to tell you that, and it is foolish of you to hear and go away. It doesn't happen. It can happen in your later stages of life where you have mastered meditation.
Very
When
advanced stage.
you come into that sthiti of doing the nothingness, by the time you become a master. बाकी ये सब जो बोलते हैं ना, हाँ I am totally zero,
वो नहीं होता
वो सब फेकम फाक है. They are lying, I am telling you. All these people बोलते हैं ना, I can stay zero state of mind.
That comes at a very advanced stage.
वो सब झूठ बोल रहे हैं, वो लोग को सुनो ही मत.
Otherwise, you can focus, as you said.
So
can
when you focus on the light, and that is the time when you are focusing, you are knowing that you are one with the light, you are focusing on the light. When those energies are integrated, see where your thought goes, energy goes. So when you are integrated with that, it is at that point of time that you can do a lot of work of changing the beliefs, of changing your health, of changing your lifestyle completely, for manifesting something, for co-creating something in your life. So first people should understand how to get connected to the light. That doesn't mean that you are not connected with the light. Everything is connected with the light. Only thing is we are not aware that we are connected with the light. Once we are into complete cognitive consciousness that yes, I am the light by itself and I am one with the light.
I'm one with the light. I'm one with the light.
That is the long and short of the story.
But at that stage, does the things start happening by themselves, or you have to adopt a particular
Certain
technique?
things happen by themselves because it is the divine plan that you have already written. Now certain things, if you have not written and you want it to happen, then that will not happen, no? Like if a person has not written anything about marriage in his plan, then he will not get married. Neither he will be interested in marriage. But then down the line when he sees all his friends, all his relatives getting married, he will feel that I think this is a natural way of human beings to survive on the planet, so I better get married. And the marriage doesn't happen because it's not written. So then he will start meditating, or taking out some totlas, tutkas, or he will go and catch hold of some people who will teach him how to get married or give him some ideas. So कोई बोलेगा ये कर वो कर मेरे पास आएगा तो मैं बोलूँगा मेडिटेशन कर. Write your faith. That's how. So he is creating something.
Think of a woman.
Think of a woman. Desirable woman. So there are so many things in that, in that gamut happening. We cannot judge why a particular thing is not happening with one person. Of course, the end story is the belief. Somewhere down the line.
End story
Is the belief.
of belief.
Definitely. So if he reverses the belief, or he replaces the belief with something else,
If you believe that this is happening or this will happen, तो हो
तो
गया.
हो गया.
और once you think कि ऐसा नहीं होगा, तो फिर you put a full stop to that.
See, when he knows that this is happening, that means he knows something. When you
He's
know of
aware.
something, it is stronger than having a belief. We believe in God. We don't know what God is. The day you know what God is, then you will be God. Chalo. We'll end the story for now over here. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you. Help Library.